been involved in situations like this where you're raising money and you got these projections, and sometimes people believe them and sometimes people don't. The wrong way is to be confident for no reason or whatever. And so I'm just a big fan of showing your work. I sucked at math in high school and college, even though I got a computer science degree. So that just made it even more difficult. But I became the master of partial credit by showing all my work. We've survived as a company with our investors and board and our stakeholders and customers, because the board knows when it's not going well and customers know when you're struggling, and transparency is a core value of ours. I've evolved to just be much more intentional about showing the reasons why we believe the things that we're saying. And we went through a year where we had almost no sales a couple of years ago. The pandemic was really tough. People weren't spending large sums of money. They're not going to let $150,000 out the door to buy software. They'll just continue struggling. Most CEOs, leadership teams don't survive a year of very little sales. But because we worked on, here's our hypothesis, here's the work that we're doing, and we're really intentional about that, we've managed to build trust. I still believe I could get fired at any point for any reason. That's just the name of the game. My biggest piece of advice is people know when it's not going well. The last thing anybody wants is bloviating and all this kind of false confidence. Put in the work, show the work. People might actually surprise you and give you good feedback. Actually, when it's gone really badly and we've had tough conversations with stakeholders and investors and so forth, a lot of times they've flipped into be very encouraging when they see how we've thought about the problem and what we're doing about it.